Hello students, good evening. So today we are going to cover class 10 CBSE chapter Applications to Trigonometry. Very important questions which are definitely very important for your syllabus and for your board exams. So let's start solving the PYQ questions. Okay. So over here, the first question we have is a ladder 15-meter long reaches to the top of the vertical wall. So there is a ladder which you have placed on a vertical wall such that if the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the wall. So over here the wall is still, when you are changing the location of the ladder to like this, then the angle which is created is 60 degree. Then we have to find the height of the wall. Okay, so first of all we will imagine the figure and we will draw the figure according to the question given to us. Okay, so first let's draw the figure. Okay, over here we will first draw our figure. It is given that a ladder 15-meter long. So we have a ladder which is 15-meter long. Okay, if the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the wall, so over here there is a wall, yes, which where it makes an angle of 60 degree. Okay, so you have to find the height of wall. What is the height of wall? This. So first of all we will complete the figure. Now, as you guys can see that this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so let's name it first. Name it A, B, C. Okay, it is given that this one is what? This one is 15 meter. We have to find what we have to find over here. We have to find B, C. Yes. So how are we going to do that? First of all, we know that angle sum property of a triangle is what? That sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so out of which two angles are given to us, that is 60, 90. Can we take out angle A? Yes, definitely we can take out angle A. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus, okay, in triangle ABC, okay, angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB is what? Is 180 degree. Yes, we know what is our B. It is 60. What is our C? It is 90. Can we find out CAB? Yes, we can definitely do it. How? What does this make? This makes 150. So CAB we can write as 180 degree minus 150 degree. Yes. Now when we subtract this, we get angle A as 30 degree. Yes, we get angle A as 30 degree. So now over here we have taken out the degree of the angle. Now what is asked? It is asked to find the height, means this part of the question. So how can we do this? If we say that sine 30, okay, we are taking this part of angle. So what will be sine 30? We know the formula, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Yes. Now what is sine 30? Sine 30 is what? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. What is our perpendicular? Our perpendicular, we need to find our perpendicular. Okay, so we will write over here BC. And what is our hypotenuse? Our hypotenuse is AB. Okay, now what we are going to do this, we will put the values and we will find out what is our BC, which is asked in the question, because we know that BC is what? BC is our height of the wall. Okay, so we will cross multiply this. Okay, or else okay, or else there is no need to cross multiply it. What we are going to do this, we will keep this half as it is. We will take AB on the other side and we will keep BC on the same side. Okay, so what will be BC? BC will be half multiplication 15, because we know that AB is what? AB is 15 given. So BC is 15 by 2 meters or 7.5 meters. Okay, so here we got our answer, that is height of the wall, which is 7.5 meter. Okay, so this is how you can solve such kind of questions. Let's proceed to the next question. A tower which is height of 20 meter and its shadow is 20 root 3 long. Okay, so when we are reading the question, simultaneously we will try to draw the figure so that it becomes easier for us to solve the question. Okay, okay. So what it is said, that there is a tower which is 20-meter high and its shadow is 20 root 3 long. We have to find the altitude. What do you mean by altitude over here? We mean the theta. This is the altitude. Okay. So first of all, we will name the triangle. Okay. Now what are the values given to us? We will write that this is 20 meter. This is 20 root 3. Okay. So if we see it is a right angle triangle, then this becomes our perpendicular, this becomes our base, and this becomes our what? Hypotenuse. Now how can we take out theta? Because the value of hypotenuse is not given to us, but the value of perpendicular as well as the base is given to us. Okay, so how we apply the formula over here? We are going to apply, that is tan theta, which is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay, so tan theta will be what? Tan theta will be perpendicular by base. Then tan theta comes out to be BC by AB. Yes. Now tan theta is what is BC? BC is 20. What is AB? AB is 20 root 3. Okay, so this 20 and 20 gets cancelled out and we are left with tan theta, which is 1 by root 3. Now, as you all know that what is the value of root 3 in terms of tan? It is 30 degree. So, we can write tan theta is equal to tan 30. Okay, this tan and tan gets cancelled, so our theta becomes 30. Hence the value of this theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay, thank you.